Video AI is a video personalization software that helps you create personalized videos that you can send out as cold outreach without lifting a finger. Well, maybe just lifting a little bit to, left click. But apart from that, it will generate all the videos for you using your prospect website or two websites to create this custom video that is then sent out to your prospect. And whenever the prospect views the video, you get a notification to act quickly. Now, video pricing is pretty competitive. Other alternatives cost a lot more. For example, here we have $50 a month for 300 videos. Other competitors like Salesforge have only 200 video minutes. And yeah, let me show you what it looks like. So once you sign up to the website, you'll see this window. This is where you'll do most of your stuff. Now, before you can generate any videos, well, you can, but it's best if you upload a sample video of yourself, a recording of yourself, so the app could actually use your face to generate the videos. And when you come to actually generating the videos, it's relatively simple as well. You go to generate, you generate what kind of a video you want. Usually if you're doing cold outreach, you'll want this option. And once you choose this option, you'll be able to add the website URLs. So the app would show those websites in the background of you speaking, like when you have looms, like you now have me here in the corner, and then here is the website. Well, it would be the same with any website you add. For example, Salesforge AI, right? This is a message because it doesn't allow me on a free trial to click here, but basically you'll have an option to add a website or two websites that the app will then click throughout the video. Now, video has other options as well to generate GIFs and memes, as you can see here, and you have a bunch of templates that you can do. So if you're not focusing on cold email outreach, or if you want to do meme follow-ups or something like that, you can do that as well. Create personal GIFs, and everything you record, everything you upload, everything that you generate can be viewed in generated videos tabs, in recordings tabs, in media tab. And also you have an option to add integrations to essentially send out those videos, use them efficiently. So that's that. If you want to see more videos about any tool, just let me know down below, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe. See ya.